This is the Build Applications with CumulusCI Trail, and we're in the third module now, in the first session of the third module, although this is the B, because we've already recorded one. So if we go out to Setup, what we did in the first was to create the GitHub repository and configure the project. And now what we're going to be doing is committing this to GitHub, configuring the config. So if we go out and look at it, this is where we were with the VS Code. And what you'll see is after we built it, we do have kind of these over here, which are different files that are being pulled in. So if we click back over now and actually load up, no, we're not going to do that yet. We're looking at, this is the GitHub desktop. We see we have 11 changed files, and if we look at them, see how they match here? And if we scroll down, you can see we get down to the same kind of here. What we want to do now is to bring these from the desktop, and we want to put them out on the GitHub in the cloud. In this summary field, this was the mistake I made, so if we just populate here, which is the summary was required, well, actually the required field is this header, so you have to make sure you've done that. And then you saw this go back, so if I take this away, notice how it grays out, and then if you click it, it says then you can commit it. And this is important because it brings in all these files. So we're going to commit this to main, no local changes, and it says now publish this. So we're going to publish it, and let's just click here. This is Food Bank 1 on GitHub, and we're going to keep it private, so we're going to do a publish. And looking back at the instructions, what it says is view it on GitHub. And so if we look here and we say, okay, view it on GitHub, if you scroll down, you can see view it on GitHub. So we're going to click here, and it brings up GitHub. And what you're seeing now is all of this information, which means that we have in fact brought these files from the desktop to GitHub in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and now we can actually move on to building out the application.